Hold up.
Hi, good morning. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you slept well last night. Today is day one on the Superpower Hour Challenge. We have a 14-day Superpower Hour Challenge. In this Superpower Hour Challenge, this is how it works. Every morning you wake up, you finish with your toilet, you finish with your morning rituals, and then you have 1 hour. We've divided the 1 hour into the first 15 minutes is a brisk walk. The next 15 minutes are yoga asanas or stretching and flexibility exercises. The next 15 minutes, that should bring you to 45 minutes, is your deep breathing or your pranayama. And the last 15 minutes is your meditation, your prayer, or if you don't like to meditate, you can do reflection, sit in silence, or you can even journal. So we got 1 hour of a holistic approach towards your health. We're trying to do it for 14 days because we want to cultivate the habit of discipline and consistency. When we learn discipline and consistency, every aspect of our life gets better. Every aspect of our life gets better. Today, if you introspect and look at your life, the places where you fail are mostly 99% because you do not have discipline and you do not have consistency. And that's why we fail. So we've launched this 14-day challenge. It's You Care, all about you. Simple 14 days. No matter where you are in the world, where you live, all you need is an hour for yourself. If you miss that hour in the morning, do it mid-morning, do it in the evening, but do that 1 hour. Because it's not just about discipline and consistency, it's about the way you feel after you finish that 1 hour. Your body's gone through a brisk walk, so you have blood circulation, then you move into your asanas, flexibility, stretching, body movements and breath together. It's a beautiful feeling. Then you sit down on your mat in any position that you're comfortable and you spend some time deep breathing. That's for our lung health because we live in a world with pollution, and one of the only ways is building a stronger pair of lungs to help us through that. And then we end it by calming down, centering ourselves to prepare ourselves for the day. So we go into meditation, we go into prayer, we do a little bit of journaling, we do a little bit of reflection, or you just sit in silence. You can choose. The last 15 minutes is for you to choose. So it calms you down and then you're ready to set your day. If in that silence, you can even set your intentions for the day. You can set your intentions. That's beautiful. When you set your intentions, it basically gives some structure to your entire day. So again, the first 15 minutes is a brisk walk, followed by a yoga asanas or flexibility and stretching, followed by deep breathing, followed by your meditation, silence, or whatever it is that you want to do for that heart and that emotional wellness. So day one is done. I hope you do day one, participate in this, do these little challenges so that you build discipline and consistency. Like I said, everything requires discipline and consistency. Discipline doesn't mean you got to be strict with yourself or you have to become rigid and not have a social life. No, discipline is doing something because it's important to you over and over again. And then it becomes a habit and then it becomes a lifestyle. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, and breathe deep. And remember, you care. It's all about you.